DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, my loving students? I hope you all are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I am also doing well. Before starting the lessons, let's recite the dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Students, do you know today's topic? Okay, so let's find today's topic. Can you guess today's topic? Anyone? Okay, I will give you a hint. So let's look at the monkey, the bunny, and the pencil. Now tell me the topic. Now it's easy to tell. Anyone? Anyone can tell? Okay. So now I am going to tell today's topic. Today we are going to learn about living things and non-living things. Okay, students? Students, now let's look at our learning intention and success criteria. Learning intention. Today we are going to learn about what are the living things and non-living things. Students, what are we going to learn? Yes, we are going to learn what are the living things and non-living things. Okay, now look at our success criteria. You will be successful if you can tell what are living things and non-living things, and if you can categorize living things and non-living things. We see many things around us. Some are living things while some are non-living things. Things that have life are living things, like human being, animal, and plant. Student, now Ali is going to ask a question to Hassan. The question is, what are living things? And now let's look at Hassan's answer. Living things are things that are alive. They need food, water, and air to stay alive. They have the ability to reproduce or give birth, grow, and change on their own and respond to changes in environment. So students, is it correct, Hassan's answer? Yes, it is correct. And now I am going to show some characteristics of living things. Living things can move, living things can grow, living things needs foods and water, living things can breathe, and also living things can reproduce. things that do not have life are non-living things, and if something does not have all four characteristics of living thing, it is non-living. And here I am going to show some examples of non-living things like truck, basket and umbrella, and many more are there. You can tell pencil, book, pen. Okay, students? And now I am going to show some characteristics of non-living things. Non-living things cannot move, cannot grow, and they do not need food and water, cannot breathe, and also they cannot reproduce. Okay, student? Living things can move. Human beings move using their legs. Animals also use their legs to move. Animals without legs crawl, slide, and swim using their body. Plants also show some movement, like the sunflower follows the direction of the sun. Living things can grow. A baby grows into a child, which then grows into a man. A calf grows into a cow. A seed grows into a plant, which then grows into a huge tree. Living things need food and water. Human beings depend upon plants and animals for their foods. Plants make their own food using water, air, and sunlight. Animals depend upon plants or other animals for their food. Living things can breathe. Human beings and animals breathing in fresh air using their lungs. Plants inhale carbon dioxide from the surroundings. Living things can reproduce. Reproduction is the process in which a living thing gives birth to a young one of its own kind. And now I am going to show some examples of living things gave birth to a young one. A woman gives birth to a baby. A cat gives birth to a kitten. Birds lay eggs from which young ones come out and slowly grow into adults. Non-living things. Man-made things like house, cup, basket, chair, truck, ball, and many more are non-living things. Natural things. Some of the natural things are also non-living things, such as sun, moon, rock. Students, now I hope you have learned Are you going to help me? Students, what is this? Yes, it's a house. It's a living things or non-living things? Yes, it is non-living things. So we are going to put it in non-living things. Okay, the next one is what? Yes, a tree. And we can see everywhere. Right? And tell me, is it living things or non-living things? Yes, it is a living thing. So I am going to put it on living things column. Okay? And go to the next one. What is the name of this one? Yes, it's an umbrella. Is it living things or non-living things? Yes, very good. It's a non-living things. So we are putting it in non-living things column. Okay? Okay. The next one is cat. Students, is it a living things or non-living things? Yes, it's a living things. Students, why it is living things? Yes, it can jump, it can breathe, right? So we are going to put it in living thing column. Okay? What is this? Yes, a ball. And it is a non-living things or living things? So I am going to put it in living things. No, it's not a living things, right? It's a non-living things. So we have to put it on non-living things column. Okay? Students, do you like butterfly? Okay, I also like butterfly. And tell me, is it a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, it is a living thing. So we are going to put it on living thing column. And the next one is a form. Right? Is it a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, it is a non-living thing. So we are going to put it on living, non-living thing column. Okay? And the last one is, what is the last one? Yeah, human. Is it living things or non-living things? Yes, it is a living thing. So we are going to put it on living things column. Okay, that's all. Thank you for helping me. Students, now it's a quiz time. Are you ready? Okay, so let's start. Okay, here is the first question. What is living thing here? A book, a crayon, a puppy, and a rock. So what is the answer? Can anyone tell? Yes, you did it. Puppy. A puppy is a living thing, and a puppy can move, grow, eat, and breathe. And now let's go to the second question. What is a non-living thing? A cat, a rabbit, a gull, and a pencil. So what is the answer? Again, can anyone tell? Yes, you did it. A pencil. A pencil is a non-living thing. And a pencil cannot grow, cannot eat, or cannot breathe, right? It's a game time. Now we are going to play a game in which we are going to sort these objects. We are going to think and find out which are living things and which are non-living things. Okay, students? So there is a table which divided into two groups. The first one is living things and the other one is non-living things. So what you have to do is you have to select all the living things and put it on living things column, and then select the non-living things and put it on non-living things column. So first of all I am starting with this panda. Students, is this a panda is a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, it's a living thing because it can grow, it can breathe, it can reproduce, right? And the second one I will choose aeroplane. Is it a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, it's a non-living thing. It cannot breathe, it cannot reproduce, it cannot grow. The next one is crocodile, is a living thing. And the next one is fry pan, it's a non-living thing. And the next one is tree. Students, tree is a living thing because it can grow. And the next one is car. Car is a non-living thing. And the next one I will choose fruit. Student, fruit is a non-living thing, but it is important to know that a fruit is a living thing to the time it is the part of the plant. But when we pluck it, it becomes a non-living thing. Then it cannot change, it cannot grow, but till the time it is attached to the plant, you can see the size of the fruits grow. The color turns from the raw color green to the ripe color. So in this the living things till the part of the plant. And the last one is butterfly. Students, butterfly is a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, it's a living thing. Now it's your activity time. What you have to do is you have to draw and name any three living things and non-living things in this table. Okay? Do your works in your thematic notebook, and after finishing your work you have to send me through Viber. I hope you all clear. Let's recall today's success criteria. You will be successful if you can tell what are living things and non-living things, and if you can categorize living things and non-living. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.
DPS TeleClass